false start to the day because we tried to go to the Arc de Triomphe. The bloody King of Spain is here and has closed it and closed the Louvre. So now we're in a massive line for the catacombs, which was planned for tomorrow. We were planning to go early in the morning, but we've missed that boat. And now I think we'll be in line for over an hour.
We've been in line for what, half an hour now?
Yeah, so I think we'll be in line for like 2 hours.
See, look, so like if that's the end of the line over here. That's the end of the line over there. And the entrance is behind these bushes, so full circle.
How long have we been waiting? 2.5 hours?
2.5 hours.
Yeah, just about 2.5 hours. We're finally going. Bun for the first time because I've got extremely dirty hair. This is Phil's outfit of the day. Doing the whole tie the cardigan around the neck thing that all the guys do here, except he hasn't really tied it properly.
Yeah,
we don't have a full-length mirror in the apartment. With his
OOTD
t-shirt from Camden Market, Traveller's bum bag and Vans as well.
The one pair of jeans for the whole trip.
Yep.
And a sexy bum bag.
Yep, sexy bum bag. It's a new trend.
And a camera.
And a camera. It's a tourist traveller's look.
Come on. Cruise with on your right, the biggest monument in Paris, the Louvre Museum.
Just waiting for the booth to open.
Someone's gone in, so we know it's open.
Yep. So, yeah, we're hoping for a more successful day or morning, as opposed to a more than 2 hour wait for the catacombs. Going up the stairs, 300 of them. Can we do it? We made it to the top. It wasn't too bad. It was pretty easy.
Yeah, it was nothing.
Now, there's this beautiful view.
Papalini?
Okay.
Papalini?
Should I try?
Yeah. What's your one again? Caramel.
This is caramel, the best seller.
Whoa. What's in it? Oh, cream puff. Yeah? Good?
Yeah. It's really good. Yours is
Nectarine.
nectarine and Earl Grey tea.
Earl Grey. That tastes pretty well.
Yeah? My one's really good. You gotta try this.
Come on.
Alright, Phil's going to taste test. We're not sure what this is, but it looks yum. It's caramel.
Oh wow.
What?
That's really good. There's something inside, is it like hazelnut or something?
Yum. They really know how to do desserts here.
So different too. Yeah, yeah.
We're walking towards the Eiffel Tower on a beautiful sunny day on our last day in Paris. And this is our view. Check it out. Check it out. At the top of the Eiffel Tower. Double pancake with Nutella and banana.
How many choices do we have?
Many, many.
This is how many choices we have. Oh, waiting crepes. I think this is Crepe Street. There's 7 in a row down there.
So many choices. That's ice cream too. So I saw in the reviews that you should get cider with the crepes. So we ordered cider and we got this huge bottle here.
We thirsty.
We thirsty.
We thirsty.
Go on, pour. This is dinner, by the way. We're eating crepes. Cheers. Cheers to our last night in Paris.
Cheers.
That is good.
It's very sweet.
I like that. What is it? It's someone who's French. Tell me what that is. This is Phil's crepe. It's a savoury one. What's in it?
Is a crepe just salami?
What's in it?
Egg, ham,
And mushroom, right?
mushroom and cheese. Yeah.
Okay, sample it.
It's their special. It's their special. I should eat that.
Looks interesting.
I think we should have a second dinner.
Are you hungry already?
Yeah.
You haven't even finished first dinner. Well, this is progressive dinner. Merci. And this is mine.
It's like a toasty or jaffa.
Come on.